Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today I'm going to take apart this whole suspension and hopefully get it all done as quick as I can. I'm just stripping her down so that I can install a bunch of new parts coming up, and this whole side and the other side down. Now, how fast can I do it though? I'm going to time myself and get the timer here. I time myself to see how fast I can do it. But today also, I'm using a new impact. So I got my new impact here. I bought it myself, and I was thinking, man, I could use a new impact. My other one was getting weak. It's 23 years old. Starting to get weak, so I went for this Bestwell. And this thing is like... This is very nice. They have changed in the last 20 years. I don't think there's... Yeah, Bestwell pneumatic tools. Not a sponsor. I had to buy this. And yeah, I wish they would sponsor me. They got a whole bunch of nice tools there. So if Bestwell, if you see this, contact me. I wouldn't mind going and using a bunch of these tools on my channel. Not that I'm plugging, for a sponsor, but I've had a few that I've turned down that I just don't do that stuff on my channel. But this one, we're going to see how well it works though. Hopefully it works good. So let me get set up here and we will get going. So I've started the clock, so let's get moving here. I'm not going to film everything, or if I do film everything, I'm going to edit a bunch out. Let's see. Let me try to get off the tie rod. I'm changing the tie rods. I'm changing everything. What can I say? I can't even see in there. I got this hat on. I can't even get my head down there. Alright, I see. Hammer. I got a whole assortment of tools here, and I forgot to bring screwdrivers to this. I need a screwdriver. Dang it, I'm already running on time here. So far this is going along just great. Not really. Everything is old and stuck. I have a wrench. I've noticed I've left some tools in the... I haven't had exactly the right size wrenches yet. But no, I don't. I gotta go grab a wrench now. Wow. So we are moving right along here. To cut my time down considerably, I'm gonna pull the shaft out with this whole assembly. Makes it easier on me. Luckily, the ABS sensor was okay. It came out pretty good. And of course, I'm replacing bolts where I take out into the spots where this feels pretty good, but the boot is split. So now I gotta get the lower. What is that? Oh yeah, the lower ball joint. So I gotta get that lower ball joint off. Well, I have made some headway, but wow, is it slow going. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the other side done. I gotta go. I got things to do. I've already been on this side. It's been over an hour. Every stinking thing has fought me all the way on here. It's just non-stop. I tell you, this thing's never been apart. So, wow. Oh, finally got that loosened up. Oh my word. I can use my ratcheting wrench on there. The side isn't turning. And of course it is. Okay, of course. That's always something that happens, right? Where'd that 17 go I just had? Because, just have things and then they go missing on me. Is this 17 on this side? Yes. Oh, it's been nothing but trouble. But I'm getting her. Slowly, I'm getting her. Get this control arm off. I got a lot of stuff off already. Don't take. Bushings on this control arm will need change. They're pretty ratty. I just cut the end link. I was like, I'm not dealing with that. Cut the brake hose. I'm not dealing with that right now. I'll deal with that later. It can drip into this pan I have down here. And of course that won't turn off because it's greasy as all hell. Oh my word. Everything I do is just a chore. I can tell you, it tells me it's gonna go. Oh, finally it's coming. Wow. Now, will this bolt come out? How many threads are on here? Oh my word. Oh. Yeah. Please come out. Thank you for coming out. Thank you so much. I can't tell you how many times I've had to run back and grab tools. This is over an hour on this side. This is nuts. All I gotta do is get this control arm off. And what size are those up there? What size? I'm not that size. 19? 19. Oh, I don't want to. Do I have anything else I can use? Oh. I think there's a hole right here. Here, let me check that out. So, I don't know what those bolts are torqued at, but let's try the gun on them. You know, the new gun. Bestwell. Trying to keep her cleaned off and shiny, you know. Where is that one on the back? Oh, it's right there. Am I on it? I got her. Ooh. She's a coated bolt, so that's good. And on the front one, I gotta use a shorter extension. Whew. It's been a rough morning. I've been out here way too long doing one side. I capped off the brake line up here, hoping it would stop. It didn't. There we go. Hey, that worked out fine. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Control arm off. Okay. Now I did want to do, and I took the axle right out with everything on this side. Wasn't going to mess with it in the vehicle, so I just took her out. Let's put this here to catch brake fluid. Those look like a pain. Let's see, what am I looking at here? These bolts here, they look like a pain. So that's the last thing to do on this side. So, you know, I better do it. Here we go. Let's get this sway bar bushing off, hopefully. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. Those were, whew. The nut is welded on the inside. Okay, how do I take care of the one on the other side? Oh, great. Well, that's all you're going to get today. That bolt on the other side stripped out on me. Like I said, everything's fighting me on here. This has taken me An hour and 33 minutes, almost an hour and 34 minutes just to do this side. And it's just been a fight the whole freaking time. I'd use stronger words. I try not to do that on my channel, because I certainly were using them while working on this thing. I am just, wow. I just cannot believe this. This thing has never been apart, I bet. This was all original. And I needed way more tools than I thought it was going to. I thought I had all the tools ready. But I had to make so many trips back to my garage just to grab all of these damn tools. It's time consuming. And now this stupid piece of crap. I'm going to cut that bolt off later and just stick a new bolt on there. I'm just done with this. Like, oh, just... But look, I got her almost all apart except for this sway bar bushing. So I consider that to be a win, even if it took me forever to do it. Now I should just be really fast on the other side. But that'll come another day, because I've run out of time and I gotta go. I gotta go. I have things to do and I can't be working on this thing all day. So next time you see me, it'll be me crushing this car. Probably. I've almost had it. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm not going to say I hope you enjoyed, because I know the answer to that.